Hi everyone, welcome back to Math with Amala. Let's start a new part of your chapter. Number 8 of grade 7 Rational Numbers. Rational numbers are in the form p by q where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0. For example, let's take 4 and 5 as integers, then 4 by 5 is a rational number. Minus 4 by 3 is a rational number, minus 3 by 8 is a rational number. Rational numbers include integers and fractions. If we take just 2, 2 divided by 1 is there already. So that 1 is not visible means it doesn't means that it is not there. So 2 by 1 is a fraction. It is a rational number. Likewise integers and fractions. Equivalent rational numbers. By multiplying the numerator and denominator of a rational number by the same non-zero integer, we obtain another rational number equivalent to the given rational number. Let's take minus 2 by 3. If we multiply with 2 on both numerator and denominator, you will get minus 4 by 6. Hence, it is an equivalent fraction with minus 2 by 3 or equivalent rational numbers to each other. Minus 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by minus 4, which is equal to 4 by minus 4 by 8, which is equal to minus 8 by 16. Now, what are positive rational numbers? Both numerator and denominator are positive integers in positive rational numbers. Let's take 3 by 8. It's a positive rational number. 5 by 7, 2 by 9 are all positive rational numbers where we can't see any negative integers. Negative rational number means either numerator or denominator is negative integer. So at least one is to be negative, but if they are both negative, it will be a positive in resultant. Hence, minus 2 by 3, minus 5 by 8, minus 11 by 2, minus 2 by 5 are actually called the negative rational numbers. If we have negative on numerator, you can give it as a common for that complete fraction or rational number. So minus 2 is having a negativity means in 2 by 5, you can say that minus of 2 by 5 is the resultant negative integer. Rational numbers or number line. You can represent any rational number on a number line. To represent 2 by 5, you can mark 0 till 5 by 5 with 5 equal divisions in between. So you can start with 0, 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5 and 5 by 5. And that 5 by 5 is actually equal to 1, and you can have 5 equal divisions and you can choose the second one. Second division is 2 by 5. Now to represent 1 by 8 on a number line, you can write or start from 0 and move with denominator 8. 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8, and you can reach at 8 by 8 and choose the first position or the first unit 1 by 8. Now the rational numbers in standard form. A rational number is said to be in the standard form if its denominator is a positive integer and the numerator and denominator have no common factor other than 1. Which means that the denominator have to be always positive, but the numerator can be negative or positive. And the numerator and denominator should not have any common factor other than 1. Let's take minus 45 by 30. You can divide it with 3 on both numerator and denominator. You will get minus 15 by 10. Again divided with 5. You will get minus 3 by 2. Hence, this is in the standard form. 36 divided by minus 24. Here the numerator is positive and the denominator is negative. So this is not in the standard form. This negative has to be placed at the numerator. And you can divide it with 12 in order to get the standardized form. 3 by minus 2. And it is again to be written in the standard form. Minus 3 by 2. HCF of 36 and 24 is 12. That's why we divided it with 12. Comparison of rational numbers. 2 by 3 is less than 5 by 7. How we got this? Make the denominator same by multiplying the denominator of second with first and denominator of first with second. Multiply the first with 7 and second with 3. You will get 14 by 21 and 15 by 21. Now the denominators are same and you can compare it. Two positive rational numbers can be compared by multiplying a rational with denominator of other. That means the cross multiplication. Two negative rational numbers can be compared by cancelling negatives and reversing the order. Let's have some examples for proving this note. For comparing minus 7 by 5 and minus 5 by 3, compare without that sign, that negative sign, 7 by 5 and 5 by 3. Now the answer is 7 by 5 is less than 5 by 3, but we need its reverse. That means you have to multiply it with the negative, so the inequality reverses. Minus 7 by 5 is greater than minus 5 by 3. Rational numbers between two rational numbers. We can find some rational numbers in between minus 3 by 5 and minus 1 by 3. Minus 3 by 5 is equal to minus 9 by 15 and minus 1 by 3 is equal to minus 5 by 15. In order to make the denominator same, I have multiplied it with the LCM. Minus 9 by 15 minus 5 by 15, in between you have minus 8 by 15, minus 7 by 15 and minus 6 by 15. You can change it to 6 by 15. Between 1 by 3 and 2 by 8, you can have the numbers 6 by 24, 7 by 24 and 8 by 24. Next one, operations on rational numbers. We can add, subtract, multiply and divide with rational numbers like we have done for the fractions. Same denominator. In the case of addition, you have same denominator and different denominators. When we have same denominators, add the numerator by keeping the denominator same. And for the different denominator addition, you can go with the cross multiplication method. 7 by 2 plus 1 by 8 is equal to 7 into 8 plus 2 into 1 divided by 2 into 8, which is equal to 56 plus 2 by 16, that is 58 by 16. Hence the additive inverse of some number like a by b is minus a by b. 4 by 7 plus minus 4 by 7 is equal to 0. So these are additive inverse to each other. Additive inverse of minus 3 by 2 is 3 by 2 and minus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 is equal to 0. That's why they are additive inverses to each other. In the subtraction, you can do the same cross multiplication method or the making the LCM or the denominator same through LCM. 3 by 2 minus 3 by 8 is equal to 24 minus 6 by 16, that is 9 by 8. 7 by 2 minus 5 by 2 equal to 7 minus 5 by 2 when the denominators are same. 2 by 2, that is 1. 7 by 24 minus 17 by 36 equal to, you can do that, you can complete it. Multiplication. Here we can do the direct multiplication of numerators and denominators. Minus 3 by 2 is equal to 2 by into 2 by 1 is equal to minus 3 into 2 divided by 5 into 1, that is minus 6 by 5. Minus 5 into minus 9 divided by 8 into 7, that is 45 by 56. In the division, you have to find the reciprocal. Reciprocal means reversing numerator and denominator. Minus 6 by 5 divided by minus 2 by 3 is equal to minus 6 by 5 into 3 by minus 2. That is, after converting a division to multiplication, you can do the normal multiplication procedure. To divide a rational number by another non-zero rational number, we multiply the rational number by reciprocal of the other. Keep practicing and don't forget to follow this channel for more updates. Thank you all for watching the video. Please be stay tuned for the upcoming parts of your classes.